Stop! These 5 Amazon kitchen finds are about to solve problems you didn't even know you had. First, stainless steel onion holder that's ending kitchen tears forever. Slice onions, tomatoes, avocados, eggs, perfect cuts every time without the crying or finger danger. Second, large lint rollers with extendable handles that are pet owners' secret weapon. Extra sticky, 9.45 inches wide, 180 sheets, floors, carpets, couches spotless in seconds. Third, acrylic cutting board with lip and scraper that's protecting countertops everywhere. Crystal clear, multi-purpose design, cut, serve. Protect your kitchen's new best friend. Fourth, ice trays with 99 pieces that are revolutionizing drink game. Round cubes, lid, and bin included. Perfect ice for every occasion, no more boring cubes. And last, pull-out double tier. Dish rack that's maximizing every cabinet. Slides out smooth, doubles your drying space. Hidden storage magic that transforms cluttered sinks. These aren't just gadgets, they're the solutions your kitchen has been desperately waiting for. Smart shoppers are snatching these up fast. Tap Shop now below, hit the link and grab yours today. Don't let these game changers slip away.